Hey, good morning. What is the why in the qualify framework? You're not going to want to miss this edition of Tuesday Traffic Tips, so stay tuned.
Good morning, this is Alan Buchanan, and I provide location advice to owners and occupants of industrial buildings in Southern California. Otherwise we wouldn't have. Alan Buchanan, Tuesday Traffic Tips.
Hey, good morning, and please visit our sponsor, RealNext. They're standing by. They're waiting to provide a free demonstration for you today. We have been working through every letter of the Qualify framework. Qualify is an acronym I put together that enables you to convert leads into deals. If you'd like to know more, you can always buy a copy of my book called The Sequence, where I go into this in depth. But today we're going to talk about the why. The why stands for yearning. Another way to phrase this is a catalyst. Now, in my practice of family-owned, family-operated manufacturing logistics businesses, these generally show up as what I call one of the 5 Ds. A death, a divorce, a dissolution of a partnership, potentially some sort of disposition of the company, or some sort of distress. That could be a debt distress as an example. When this why, yearning catalyst, is in place, it creates an urgency, and the urgency then creates a need to act on the quantitative need. So that does it for the Qualify framework. Q stands for quantitative need, U stands for urgency, A stands for authority, L for loyalty, I for intention, F for fuel, and today Y for yearning. And also, if you would like a seminar on the Qualify framework, please let me know via text, via email. I've done these for a number of offices and they've found great value. Alan Buchanan, make it a great week. Tuesday Traffic Tips.